You are welcome to this unboxing video of the Lab in a Box for instrumentation and measurement. So you will receive a box, and in that box will be this starter kit for the Arduino. So this starter kit has all the components you need and an Arduino. For your practice exercises, you can use them for the non-assessed labs or for any other preparation you need to get familiar with using the Arduino. So this will be in the box. We'll put that aside. You will notice that there is a pinout diagram for connections for the Espotec Labrador all-in-one USB oscilloscope. I'll talk about that later. But everything else inside the box is required for your lab exercises for instrumentation and measurement. This is required for your multimeter. Those are the probes for your multimeter. This is a box containing several capacitors, different values you can use for your exercises. This is a set of resistors. This is the Espotec Labrador all-in-one USB PC oscilloscope. It is contained inside a 3D printed case for easy connection. These are Texas Instruments operation amplifiers. I will talk a bit more about this, but firstly I would like to show you your miniature breadboard. USB type A for connecting your Espotec Labrador, like so, and this plugs into the computer. This is an assembly for the LED and the LDR. This will be used in your lab. Some of you, or most of you, will have two 9-volt batteries. I'll talk a bit more about that later. These are the connectors for the batteries. Multimeter, not the best in class, but it's sufficient for your exercises. This is a power supply. I will talk more about that later. And this, of course, is a wire cutter, wire stripper. Very straightforward. So put the box aside. So we've talked about the multimeter and the probes. Now you may require to use this for dual mode power supply or a virtual ground, so to say. So what you need to do is connect it to a 9-volt battery like so. With this, of course, you can have either 9 volts in two places, that's 18 volts, or two 9-volt supplies. So one will be a virtual ground. That will be explained in your laboratory exercise tutorials. So this will be the virtual ground, and this will be the other positive and negative terminals. So the idea behind this is you have a dark area where the LED and LDR can really interact. You can plug this on your breadboard directly, or you can utilize the wire connectors that are in this box to connect it to your breadboard. I'll leave that to you to figure out. Now, coming back to the Espotec Labrador, I just want to show you that I'll use something else that isn't in your kit, that you can connect this. These two pins are for your power supply. You can connect it to the board. This is the positive and negative end. You can connect it like so. It sits here. You can connect it, and you can now connect your signal generators and every other component directly off the board. So this is why these pins are here. So I'll leave that to you to figure out, but it's really easy. It sits on your board. So breadboard, we talked about it. The components, other resistors for your use, and this is a very handy power supply unit. It can sit on your breadboard, or you can connect it to your breadboard. It's really easy to use. You do not have to use this, but there will be another video about a power supply to follow this. So all the best, guys.